So, this is actually my first time legitimately holding a green anole. Only because other times they get really aggressive and try to bite me, so this is pretty cool. Cute little ringneck. Wow, his scales are really iridescent in the sun. It's already the start of May and it's really hot. I'm surprised I even found this guy in the daytime. I found him right over here. I've never seen a pileated woodpecker before. This is the largest woodpecker in North America. It's crazy. May the 4th be with you. And I've caught a gecko. And actually got to slightly hold it. I've never held one of these guys before. They're pretty cool. Look at those eyes, they look so cool. But yes, he can climb out very easily with those electrically attracted toe pads. So, yeah, he can get out easily. And I've never been able to hold a gecko for this long. Feels so weird, the feet and everything. Just awesome. I like it. Okay, buddy. Here you go. Bugs everywhere. Okay, you can go. You can. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Get off. Look at him. Yeah. Okay, well, you can stay there. Alright, so here's one gecko. Two geckos. And a tree frog. Yeah. Imagine that. Let's see what else I can find on this wall. Nothing much, really. Oh, and a anole. Man, so much stuff. I like it.